In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert your camera in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever held something up to the camera during a meeting, like a document, a book, or anything with text, and noticed that it looks backwards on your screen, that's because Teams is mirroring your video for you. This mirror effect can make things feel more natural when you look at yourself, but it can also be confusing, especially if you're presenting. The good news is, you can quickly turn this off so your camera isn't mirrored. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Teams and either in a meeting or on the main screen where your camera controls are visible. Look for the small camera icon that you use to turn your video on and off. Right beside that camera icon, you'll see a small arrow, usually pointing down. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens a small menu with more options related to your camera. In this menu, look for the option called More Video Effects and Settings. It might appear as a line of text or as part of a small panel. Click on More Video Effects and Settings. This will open a larger panel or window on the side of your screen where you can control how your video looks. Inside this Video Effects and Settings panel, you will see several categories or tabs. What you want to find here is the General Camera Settings section. Look for the option labeled Settings within this panel and click on it. This will take you to the area where Microsoft Teams lets you adjust more detailed options for your camera. Now, in the Settings area, look for a toggle or switch labeled Mirror My Video. When this is turned on, your preview is flipped, like looking into a mirror. To invert your camera so that it is no longer mirrored, simply toggle this option off. Once you turn off Mirror My Video, you should immediately see your preview change. Text on t-shirts, backgrounds, or anything you hold up should now appear in the correct orientation to you. Keep in mind that other participants usually see your video correctly either way. This setting mainly changes what you see in your own preview, but turning off mirroring can help you avoid confusion when you're presenting content to the camera. And that's it. By clicking the arrow beside the camera, opening More Video Effects and Settings, going into Settings, and toggling off Mirror My Video, you've successfully inverted your camera in Microsoft Teams.